Efficient grouping in pandas based on another series. I need to perform a grouped operation, which is based on another Boolean column in my data frame. It is most easily seen in an example. I have the following data frame. And would like to obtain a column whose elements are true if the B column is true, and it is the last time it is true for a given ID. I have a code that achieves this, although inefficiently. Can someone propose what is the correct Pythonic approach to do this nice and fast?
You can first filter values where true in column B and then get max index value with groupby and aggregating max. Then replace values false by index values with lock. Another solution, get max index values with groupby and apply, then test membership of values in index with isin. Output is Boolean series.
Not sure if this is the most efficient method, but it uses only built-in functions, the main one being CumSum and then max to check that it equals the last one. pd.merge is just used to put the max back in the table. Maybe there's a better way for doing that? PS The data frame you specified in the example changes slightly from the first to the second snippet. I hope I've interpreted your request correctly.